Hi everyone, this is Miguel Galindo, pre-advocate and also program assistant for the San Diego City College Promise program. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download Canvas, sign in, and also navigate through and stay connected with the San Diego Promise program through the Canvas app. So first of all, we're going to go looking for the App Store on your device. You're going to be searching for Canvas Students. Once you find the app, you're going to install it. Let's wait some few seconds until it get ready to go. There you go. Now it's ready to go. You're gonna launch it, and here you're gonna be looking for San Diego Community College District. When you click on it, you will insert your student ID number and then your password. And then you will click login. Now you're going to be getting into the dashboard and you're going to be looking for the Promise course. Once you get into the Promise course, you will click under Home. And under Home, you will have all the information that you're going to be needing throughout this scholar year, such as requirements, engagement activities, submission of the progress report, also events and key dates for the semester. Our events for now have been canceled, but we are looking to figure it out a way to still provide you all that information that you really need, and most likely that's going to be through Zoom. Also, we have here our social media so you can stay connected with us. Also, you're going to be finding valuable information that's going to be handed out to you through announcement, and you can search by topics such as how to use Zoom, also progress reports, and more. So everything that we need to provide you with information and announce you is going to be here. Also, if you want to contact us directly, you only have to go to the inbox section and then click on the plus icon, then search for Development Shell San Diego City Promise. On the two, you will look for the person that you would like to connect with. Either it could be Diana Ramirez, who is our Promise counselor. It can be also Brenda Torres, who is our Promise coordinator. Or under technician assistance, you can find either Ashley Faulkner or Miguel Galindo, who are our pre-advocates for the program, so you can schedule your appointments through Zoom. Which nothing else for the moment. We appreciate you watching this video and have a very nice one.